My name is John Mount. I'm a retired Forest Resources Manager from Southern California Edison Company. Currently I volunteer for the museum and do a lot of consulting for Fresno County and other entities to promote good forest management. The ability to manage a forest like I was able to for 30 years on Edison is highly inhibited now through our legal system, the laws that we've created. And what's interesting about it, if you look at it, the minority of people created those laws. And that's the number one inhibitor. If you want to go back to basics, the public, of course, is the one that makes all decisions, according to our Constitution. We have to educate the public. Well, I have been trying to educate the public for over 60 years now. I mean, directly at every level, kindergarten kids right up to adults. And by the way, it's easier to talk to a kindergartner than an adult. The problem is we have laws, and it doesn't make any difference if, and it's been proven time and time again, it doesn't make any difference if you have a majority. Let's pick Shaver Lake. If the majority of people in Shaver Lake said they wanted to manage these lands around Dinky and Shaver like I did on Edison, the laws prevent them. If the Forest Service, who's supposed to manage the land, want to manage the forest, the laws prevent them. We've got this conundrum of environmental laws that actually prevent good management. Edison's in a very fortunate position because I was able to, what I call, fly under the radar for about 10 years managing the land without anybody interfering with, I just did it. Foresters were against me because of the marking system I had. The environmentalists were against me. The only ones that were truly for me were those that lived in Shaver Lake, which is all I really needed. In the year 2001, a Sierra Club vice president stood up in front of a subcommittee, assembly subcommittee, and said, well, we don't think the state should take the lands from Edison Company, because even though they log, they're doing a good job. So even the Sierra Club said that. So the problem is that now a radical individual has been proven time and time again, right here, a radical individual can stop management on the National Forest land because of the way the laws are written. The National Environmental Policy Act is the major culprit in my mind, but Endangered Species Act, Clean Air, Clean Water, all of those laws inhibit good forest management.